guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do some fitting simple comb rolls. If you want to have that nice look, you will need gel, oil, scissors, and comb. All right, so you also need your extension, of course. You don't want to miss that out. All right, so you will go ahead and stretch out the extension. You need to stretch out the extension so you get that nice ending, and you will go ahead and comb it. So you need to detangle your extension, and once you finish combing the extension, you're going to go ahead and separate into small little pieces. You need your oil. You need to moisturize your hair. Yeah, I actually like castor oil because it makes my hair smoother. If you want, you can get it on Amazon. And I get it, like, if you want to get your odor faster, you get a prime. I will go ahead and just like separate the hair. Separating the hair into section. Make sure you get that nice and clean line. All right, so when I'm doing my hair, I like using mirror, but at this point I was just using like the camera to film. And yeah, so I will go ahead and grab the other section, and the right section I will go ahead and just like separate in 3, since I'm doing 6 comb rolls. So make sure you do the same. Make sure your lines are clean. You don't want your hair to look all messy with that crazy lines, you know. So make sure they are straight and clean. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is just like braiding it, but not too tight, because after you will have to come back and unbraid it again before doing your actual comb roll. The reason why I'm doing that is because like I like being, and I don't know, I would say organized when I'm doing my hair. If I'm all just like disorganized on my hair, I will just go ahead and mess everything up. So do what you have to do to be comfortable while you're doing your hair. Alright, I'm doing the same thing for the 3 of them. Just braiding. And once I finish braiding it, you will see I will go back and unbraid them again. Not all of them at once, just one by one while I'm doing my comb roll. So once I'm done, like I said, I will unbraid it again. And now I will just like comb. Yeah, so before you comb, you need to put your oil. My castor oil. So I put them on line, so my line, like I said, it looks nice and clean. Now you go ahead and comb it again. Make sure you comb your hair, because like you don't want the hair to be tangled up when you're doing your comb roll. All right, so once I'm done, I will lay my edges. So I also like to have those nice clean edges. So once I'm done doing that, you see I slow down for you guys so you can see how my hands is going. So you don't have to start with the extension. If you start with the extension, then you will lose your edges. So in order to avoid that, you will have to start with your own hair before putting in your extension, like I did just now. So I will grab my extension with my other hand while I'm braiding, and the other I will let it out. And after I did that, I will go ahead and take that side and slide it in, just as easy as this. Sorry guys, I forgot to zoom in my camera while I was demonstrating it. So I hope you see how technically you have an idea how my hands are going. So you just grab it with your two small hands and slide the other part in. You see, just easy. All right, you do the same thing until you finish, until the end. So until at the back, finish it. All right, so you just need to do the same. So guys, as you can see, it's easier for me because I practice. Once you get a hand of it, it will be really easy, I promise you. Even those feeling, I didn't know until I was like until maybe last year or the year before that. So just practice, like we always said, practice makes it perfect. So for those who doesn't like to waste money or on their hair, you just need to sit down for like 17 minutes and just watch the video till the end. All right, so once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid until the end. For those who have struggle when they're doing their cornrows, because it's kind of long, the extension is long, so you have to grab it somehow to finish the end. So you're gonna just see how I do it. It's kind of funny because like I put it actually in my mouth. Okay, you see, I told you it doesn't kill, guys, I promise you. Or else I would have died a long time ago. So once you do that and you gotta like do what you gotta do, guys, you see, it's easy. All right, let's stop giggling right now and get back to the video. Okay, not finish, but like finish that part, and I have 3 more to go, and I will let you guys just watch in silence. So you technically do the same thing as you did on the other cornrow. You comb your hair. Make sure if you don't comb your hair, then I'm sorry guys, you're gonna do a big mess. So make sure you always comb your hair, especially when you deal with natural hair. And as for me personally, I didn't relax my hair before doing it, or just straight my hair before doing the cornrow. If you want to do that, that's up to you. As for me, I don't like putting chemicals or putting heat on my hair. It's just damage them all. And anyways, I won't even stay with this cornrow for more than a week, hopefully, especially with this quarantine. Maybe I will last longer, more than a week. Just kidding, guys. All right, let's continue. So you technically do the same thing. You grab it, you let it, and you slide it in. when doing your hair, or when you're actually practicing doing your own hair, just go slow. Don't rush. Just go slow as you go when you will do something when learning. So just go slow and you will have the perfect result. Not the first time, but like as you go along. Guys, I promise you, when you know how to do your hair, oh my god, everything it's easy. When you know how to do your hair, especially cornrows, the rest of the style are really, really easy to deal with. And you don't even have to spend money on your hair. Me, I don't like spending money on my hair. So once I have all my materials, I just lock myself in my room and I just do my hair. Alright, I kind of had a little bit struggle there because you have to make sure all of the, when you're braiding, it has to be even. So take small pieces of the hair and add it to the other, and you continue. Easy guys, easy. Just sit down and learn. At that time I was looking on the mirror. I didn't I forgot that the camera was even there. So I would do the same on my other side, on the other side of my hair. I would do the same exact thing like I did on the right. Alright, so cut in 3 sections, do the same. Oh, I'm done. Magic, eh? That's my last part. So I hope after this video you actually learn how to do feeding cornrows. If you still don't know how, there's some videos that you can watch, and those videos they actually zoom in. You will see how their hands goes and how they grab the hair. I'm really sorry guys, I just forgot. I don't even know how I forgot that part. Okay, so you just do the same until you finish, and once you're done, I will show you. I sometimes manage to put some jewelry on my hair so it can look even more nicer and good, nice to watch and good to watch. Honestly guys, I don't like doing my hair with entire I like doing my hair when the extension is colorful. You see the color of the extension is just nice to look at. When it's plain black, it's just too boring. That's why I put some jewelry on my hair. At this point, I was done. I was gone. I was tired, even though it took only an hour and a half. For those who are really, 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 really fast and they have their hair relaxed and all that, it would take maybe I would say maybe 45 minutes to finish this. Like I said, my hair was natural, so I had to comb over and over again. We're almost at the end, guys. or should I say we already finished the hair. So once you finish braiding, guys, don't forget to trim the ends, the edges. Don't forget to trim the edges of the braids. Because you don't want your hair to be sticking out, you know, those small hair to be sticking out. It's not really nice to look at. So just trim the edges of the braids. You see, guys, it's easy peasy. So I am done. Like I said, you will have to trim that edges, you see. So once you're done trimming it, you have to what do you have to do again? I forgot even my video. Oh my gosh, Crystal. All right, let's see what's gonna be next. All right, you lay your edges. Wow, how come I forgot about that? You have to lay your edges again. You see, like how my edges are smooth and nice. All right. All right, guys, you're gonna lay them edges. Make sure it's all smooth, like mine. So once you finish laying the edges, like I said, you can add jewelry on your hair or just leave it like that. It's your choice. So you also get the jewelry. Where I get my jewelry, I got it from Amazon. So if you want to get it from Amazon, you can still order it. Oh, I love Amazon. You have everything you need. You fulfill your needs even on this hard time period. Finish, final look. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.